Hi, good morning.
Morning.
How are you today?
This is second day.
What is the Emo Show?
Oh, Emma Show. Emma Show is actually is a great chance to meet real customer in Europe. So in ours, we put all over on our booth and many genre of multitasking and many function, new machine and new automation. So this kind of thing is a picture to show up the real machine, real function, real automation for the customer.
You go there all 17.
Yes, we are for 17B34. So now we're in Emo, and last year we were in the Jimto.
Yeah.
So what is the difference between Jimto and Emo?
Kind of the customer base is different. The European customers so get used to the multitasking machine, and they require more and more the complex technology and precise technology, cycle time shortened technology, something like that. And Japanese customers so require more simple technology and reduce the setup or so easy programming and many things. And we need to spread out these multitasking machine all over the world. I think request is now getting similar, but the approach is different.
So here, now we're in Nakamura Tome booth.
Yes.
So could you please show me?
Yeah. So this is our new flagship machine, 0100. Yeah. We show up is first time all over the world to show up this machine. So everyone excited. Okay. This machine is X200. This is the first time to show the Emo Show. So this is also many customer requests now. X200 and also MX100. So with our new automation system, compact rotor servo. This is also good for easy setup with servo motor, and just to put the material, we get the complete parts. This is the inside loading and loading system.
So built-in automation system.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
New one.
It's very compact.
Oh yeah. And NTJ100. NTJ100 is the turret beer. And this is so nice machine for slant hole and slant mirroring. It's very quick. Don't need to the ATC, but BS. Then this is the SC1X2.
Yes.
Yeah, this is very now popular in the Asian market. So we show the oscillation cutting in the long cutting chips to small pieces. And NTYC 150. So this is a geometry navigator. It's a 280 setup for one set. NTY3 and have the 3 turret and 2 spin. 150 is our volume zone, 6-inch, 8-inch jack machine. This is also brand new. SC202. SC202 is have the big swing and the one turret and easy to use. And W150 two with gantry. So these kind of the package automation now is spreading out in Europe. In Japan, it's very popular this system. But now gradually, European market customer request this kind of system. So including robot, including bar feeder, we have the many automation. Let's go to the meeting. So this is the morning meeting.
Is it the routine of the exhibition?
Yeah, routine of the exhibition. So we show.
Good morning, everyone. Yesterday was a very good day. Thanks for all the energy. And today is an even more important day because we have the dinner meeting. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. We finished the talking with our partner.
So today, do you have many meetings?
Yeah, I think more than 5 or 6.
Oh,
Yeah, we had dealers meeting. So in daytime, so that is the many dealers coming, and
So-
we have some direct meeting.
King Shop. King Carol.
Caro, yeah. So Oh, nice shot, nice shot. So,
Same.
yesterday, the Carlo got the order in local Italian customer. The first machine for the customer.
Wow.
Just 30 minutes after the show start. Hello.
Day 2.
Shogo-san, so what are you going to do now?
Yeah, we'll do presentation. So please come and come. Please come and come. Because we are cutting it's closer to better. Okay?
Hello everyone. Hello Vasily. So I'm Shogo Nakamura, CEO of Nakamura Tome. So thank you for coming to our booth today. Customer factory, but now inside the machine, automation. So we have the many contents here. Now I show you. Thank you for listening.
Now, where are we going to?
Yeah, we are going to the H4 Hotel of dealers meeting.
So, what is the dealers meeting?
The dealers meeting, we have the global partner. The global partners for every country will come to the one place and we're meeting for the new product, new software, new automation, this kind of technology we share for this time.
So, how many dealers are coming?
So about more than 30 companies, 30 apartments, and actually the 97 the guests will come.
So many.
Yeah, so many. Actually, several years ago, the 60 and 70, I remember. Now it's close to 100.
So it's increased.
Really big meeting and big party.
So now Nakamura Tome is expanding.
Yeah, will be so. And we so enter in the new country and provide a new machine and get a new customer. So that's I think it's good for expanding.
So what are we gonna do next?
Yeah, we next is now they will check the party.
Okay.
Something.
My name is Kosuke Nakada, and I am working as a sales. 全然遅かったですよ。なんか理由がわかんない。あ、そう、これも
Yes, but we have also prepared, I think we will prepare some kind of teas and coffees and whatever. Just
It's nice to meet you. You need me?
yes, no.
I'm good.
Hello everyone! Let's move on to the opening address and the presentation from our president, Mr. Shogo Nakamura. Shogo-san, the floor is yours.
So hello everyone. Thank you for coming our dealers meeting. So how are you? No jet lag? So no hangover? No sleeping? I'm so fine. So today I will show you our direction for you. Thank you so much.
So what are you drinking?
Now it's a mojito.
Mojito. Do you like the mojito?
Sometime in so our chairman love the gin tonic. So yeah, I love the mojito, many cocktails and wine.
Wine.
Did you enjoy the party?
Okay, thank you. We'll count the bottom, four, all together, everything. Let's go one. Thank you so much, everything. Thank you.
OK じゃあ本当皆さんまあディアルミーティングってこんな感じですごいなんかファミリーな感じで多分それって日本じゃなかなか味わいづらいことで最後じゃあじゃあ日本らしくよーポンで超でいこうよーポンでよーポン